Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Geekvape Wenax H1 pod system featuring a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery powered by fast charging Type-C USB, utilizing a 3-tiered power output mode with dual firing capabilities paired with a 2.5 ml refillable pod, utilizing an integrated coil system delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTO experience. Let's get right into it and present the new Wenax H1 pod system by Geekvape. And here we have the new Wenax H1 pod system provided to us as a sample by Geekvape. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, the device offers this sleek, lightweight form factor with 8 different color variations to choose from. Here we have the gunmetal edition, integrating a built-in 1000 mAh rechargeable battery with a 3-tiered power output system paired with a corresponding LED battery light indicator. It's got dual firing capabilities, utilizing both manual pressing and auto draw activation. Here we have our firing button, Wenax logo on the front, and Geekvape on the back. The H1 will be powered by fast charging Type-C USB with a bottom shock-proof design, paired with a refillable Wenax H1 pod, offering this ergonomic mouthpiece with a transparent design structure, magnetic pod connection. It's got a side fill system housing up to 2.5 ml of e-liquid, utilizing an integrated coil system capable of delivering great tasting flavors for a satisfying MTO experience. Now the package will include the Wenax H1 battery device with a 2.5 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 1.4 ohm coil rated between 8 to 10 watts, an extra refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.7 ohm coil rated between 16 to 19 watts, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual.